Backtesting is essential for assessing trading strategies without financial risk. It takes time to do backtesting once you develop a strategy. If you're watching this video, you probably already know that. With pinescript, backtesting can be done in under a minute. This video will explain what pinescript is and demonstrate a sample indicator with backtesting. I've made this video short and clear, so stick to the end because you'll learn something that can take your trading to the next level. Pinescript is the language used exclusively on TradingView for creating custom indicators and strategies. It's straightforward and allows you to test your trading ideas directly on the charts. With the help of AI, you can generate custom codes quickly, making the process even more efficient. First, let's go to TradingView and select a currency pair to start coding your first indicator. Let's select New Indicator. So we can write our pinescript here and add it to the chart. We can learn Pine code, but without learning it, we can give the idea to chatGPT and develop the script. Let's go to chatGPT to set up the code. Let's set up a simple moving average crossover indicator. This involves buying when a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term one and selling when it crosses below. This gives the complete pinescript code. We can do adjustments to this code to get what we want. In this case, let's take this one without any adjustments. Now we can see our custom code in the chart. Let's convert this to a strategy using ChatGPT and check if this strategy can make money. We can copy the code to the same place. We add the indicator. Now it will act as a strategy. However, SMA crossover itself does not show a profitable strategy, but we can make adjustments and make a profitable strategy. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.